on. I know what I have to do. Shoot! Shoot, you idiot! Gosh. Low. Got him. Don't be stupid. Oh my gosh, they're at 20. That one's at 25. Ha! No! Fuck off! Oh, fuck, I hit my hand. Alright, come on. You fuckers think you could just sneak attack this team? Oh, never mind, they're dead. Fuck off. Alright, I got 42. Oh, you little shit. Thought, bro, thought he can actually sneak attack us. Huh. Okay, I'm at 46. Let's keep going. We got like 5-6 minutes left, kind of. I see them up there. Oh my gosh, where? How? You're weird. Okay, come on. I play Call of Duty Mobile. I know how to play this. Oh, you little shit. Fuck you. That's actually what I just do all the time, so I can't be mad. Alright, come on. I need me kills. Oh my gosh. I need me kills. Fuck. Who did that? Oh, fuck you. Who did that? Yeah. Okay, now they're catching up. That'll pretty much win. Where are they coming from? Where are they coming from? Hello? Am I stupid? Maybe I'm not stupid. Okay, so they're definitely coming over. Oh, they're over here. Oh, come on, Peter. Pete. Seriously? Yes, this is how I imagine my friend Pete sound like. So, that was a joke. Pete, if you're watching this, I was joking. I don't know why he used this voice. Come back here. Yeah, at least I killed Pete. That's not what I meant, Pete. Foolish. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Come on. Got him. Oh yeah, come down here. Foolish fool. Where the hell did they go? Oh gosh. Where the hell are you? Got you. Come on. Fuck. I'm fucking sick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you. Oh fuck, never mind. Got him. Oh, I can't even shoot right. Dude, they're way. They're like 21 points away. I mean, it's not bad. It's just that I'm kind of now. Okay, now they're definitely 21 points away. Or are they 11? Fuck off! Why did I kill myself? Okay, hold on. Why did it hurt me? Come on, bro. You spawn out of nowhere. We got 2 minutes. 2-ish minutes. 3. Bro, yeah, fuck you. Come on. That's the back of the book. Alright, let's go, let's go. You thought he was slick. You thought... Oh, fuck you. Come on. Thought he was slick. Fuck, I can't fucking hit. Dumbass. Fuck you. Fuck off. I didn't mean to do that. You know how to do. So Pete, we're betraying. The betrayal. Pete tagged him. Got him. But fuck off, bro. So can I? Alright, well, I'm way ahead. I don't know. Fuck off. Okay, we got like 1 minute. Come on, I didn't see them. This just proves that I suck. Got him. What the hell? Where the hell am I? Who's shooting me? I've relocated to the enemy base. Who is shooting? I'm gonna run, man. It's too dangerous. It's too good. Where did they go? Fuck off. Alright, we got 5 minutes. Can't fucking speak. Alright guys, well I'm gonna have to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, see ya.